Okay, master lock number 140. Easy technique. Normal bottom of the keyway tension wrench, light tension, and then a very small shallow half diamond. Kind of picked that up on camera. There, you can see that. It's just southwards, small size half diamond. So enter straight back in, back behind the pins, and then angle it upwards. So you're angling the diamond. Once you get it straight in behind all the pins, push it upwards so it's up by the pins. Light tension, and there you go. Easy defeater for master lock number 140.